The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 680.21, addresses the electrical requirements for swimming pools and spas. Within this section, subsection B focuses on dedicated branch circuits for pool and spa light transformers. This part of the code explicitly states that a transformer used to power a pool or spa light must be supplied by its own dedicated branch circuit. This means you cannot connect other electrical devices, such as a 1.5 horsepower pool pump, to the same circuit that powers the pool light transformer. The reasoning behind this requirement is to ensure the safety of individuals using the pool or spa and to prevent electrical hazards. A dedicated circuit provides a reliable and isolated power source for the pool light, minimizing the risk of voltage fluctuations or overloading that could potentially damage the light or create a shock hazard. Furthermore, a dedicated circuit allows for easier troubleshooting and maintenance of the pool lighting system. If a problem arises with the light, the dedicated circuit makes it simpler to isolate the issue without affecting other electrical devices. Similarly, any required maintenance or repairs on the pool pump will not impact the lighting system. When selecting the appropriate wire size and overcurrent protection for the dedicated branch circuit, it is crucial to consult the applicable sections of the National Electrical Code. The size of the transformer, the voltage of the pool light, and the distance from the electrical panel to the transformer are all factors that need to be considered. Overcurrent protection, such as a circuit breaker or fuse, is necessary to protect the circuit from overloads and short circuits. The overcurrent protection device must be properly sized to match the ampacity of the conductors in the circuit and the rating of the transformer. In addition to the dedicated branch circuit requirement, it is also essential to use a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, to protect the pool light circuit. A GFCI is a safety device that detects any leakage current to ground and quickly shuts off the power to the circuit, preventing electric shock. The National Electrical Code mandates GFCI protection for pool lights to enhance safety and minimize the risk of electrical accidents. Proper installation and grounding of the pool lighting system are also critical to ensure safe operation. The metal parts of the pool light fixture and any associated enclosures must be properly bonded to the grounding system to provide a low impedance path for fault currents. This bonding helps to prevent voltage differences between metal parts, which could create a shock hazard. Regular inspections and maintenance of the pool lighting system are necessary to identify and address any potential electrical problems. Check for any signs of damage or corrosion to the wiring, fixtures, and connections. Test the GFCI regularly to ensure it is functioning properly. If you have any concerns or are unsure about any aspect of the electrical installation or maintenance of your pool lighting system, it is always best to consult a qualified electrician. A licensed electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that the installation meets all applicable codes and safety standards. Improper electrical work around a swimming pool can be extremely dangerous and can lead to serious injury or even death. Firstly, to reiterate, the National Electrical Code Section 680.21b requires a dedicated branch circuit for the pool/spa light transformer. Secondly, the reason for this rule is to ensure safety and prevent overloading that could damage the light or create a shock hazard. Thirdly, it is important to use the GFCI to protect the pool light circuit. This will detect any leakage current to ground and quickly shut off the power to the circuit, preventing electric shock. Fourthly, all metal parts of the pool light fixture and any associated enclosures must be properly bonded to the grounding system. Fifthly, regular inspections and maintenance of the pool lighting system are necessary to identify and address any potential electrical problems. Sixthly, if you have any concerns or are unsure about any aspect of the electrical installation or maintenance of your pool lighting system, consult a qualified electrician. Failing to adhere to these guidelines could result in property damage, serious injury, or even death. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electricity, especially around water. The NEC requirements are in place to protect individuals from electrical hazards and to ensure the safe operation of electrical equipment. Ignoring these requirements can have serious consequences. If you are unsure about any aspect of the electrical code, it is best to seek guidance from a qualified electrician. They can provide expert advice and ensure that your electrical installation is safe and compliant. Furthermore, it's important to note that electrical codes and regulations can change over time. It is your responsibility to stay up to date on the latest requirements to ensure that your electrical system is always in compliance. Contact your local electrical inspector or code enforcement office to obtain the most current information. When working with electrical systems, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before beginning any work. This will help to prevent electric shock. Use appropriate safety equipment, such as insulated tools and gloves, when working with electricity. Never work on electrical systems when you are wet or standing in water. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. Electricity is a powerful force, and it should be treated with respect. By following the proper safety procedures and adhering to the National Electrical Code, you can help to ensure a safe and enjoyable swimming pool experience. Finally, remember that a 20-amp GFCI circuit for a 1.5 horsepower pool pump and a 120 volts/35 volts pool light is not permitted due to NEC section 680.21b. A dedicated circuit for the pool light is required to ensure safety and prevent overloading.